Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install FL Studio on macOS 15 Sequoia. Now I am going to download FL Studio. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Go to Google search bar. Type download FL Studio for Mac. Press enter. Click on first link. Download FL Studio. Now the FL Studio official website is open. Click accept all cookies. Let's scroll down. Already selected Mac. Click download the free trial now. Now the downloading is started. It is 1.1 gigabit setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click download. Here it is FL Studio setup file. Let's right click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Close Downloads. Double-click on flstudio.pkg. Click Allow. Welcome to the FL Studio installer. Click Continue. Checking OS version. macOS up-to-date version. Click Continue. Software license agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. This will take 2.48 gigabits of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here ROHIT password. Click Install software. Installing FL Studio. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. The installation was successful. Click Close. Do you want to move the FL Studio installer to the bin? In my case, I will keep this installer. Click on Keep. Click FL Studio Installer. Close notification. Eject FL Studio disk. Click on Launchpad. Click FL Studio. Click Allow. In this video demonstration, I am using trial version of FL Studio. Click Start Free Trial. You have log on as Google and Facebook ID as well. Now I am going to log on as Google ID. Click on Google. Sign in as Gmail ID. Click Continue. Click I have read and accept the terms of use. Click Allow. Click on Unlock. Download and installing your license. Click Restart without saving. Close web browser. As you can see, you have 21 days left on your FL Studio license. Click on Continue. This means our FL Studio trial activates successfully. So viewer, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install FL Studio on Mac OS. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.